Friends, Running Kimono here. We are in store at Walgreens for the week of August the 16th to the 22nd. Oh my gosh, lots of great deals and lots of cheapies. Obviously, a lot of us didn't get that basket booster this week, but we got these boosters that are with promotions such as, the P&G paper to spend 40 to get 10 and then spend 45 on skincare to get back 15. We'll investigate those tomorrow. So a lot of these deals are just, doing these deals like with Walgreens cash. You could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up. I would be so grateful. Really helps out the channel and the video if you could take a second and like the video. And if you have the hype button, consider pressing it. It would really make my Sunday. So the last couple of days, let's just kind of pivot for a second. I've been a lot at the Dollar General doing penny hauls, and it's been taken up most of my day. It is a lot of fun to get this stuff for a penny. If you are familiar with penny shopping and you just want to see visuals along with the UPCs, can you make some of these deals happen? I think you still can. I will link this video at the very end. Yesterday, I still found 100. I'm not going today because I am completely tapped out. I'm tired. But if you want to see what I was getting yesterday, a lot of this stuff in the regular aisles, it's probably worth a watch. If you have time and you want to go to the Dollar General for the afternoon and make some stuff happen, a penny for these items, including diapers and Swiffer, fantastic. Okay, so let's talk about my favorite deals this week. The first is the Arm & Hammer products priced at $1.99. So we have the pods, the laundry booster, and the liquid detergent. If you're a newer couponer trying to build up your stockpile and you have some register rewards burning a hole in your pocket, these are all deals that I would absolutely do. Grabbing, say, 3 of them at $1.99 each, that's $5.97. If you want to use $5 in Walgreens cash or a $5 register reward, go for it. Again, you're doing this deal with no booster, thus you could use the up to $5 in Walgreens cash. But why not? Make it happen, guys. Another superb deal this week is on the Venus, this cheap razor called the Smooth. And they are $8.99 this week. So you're going to look for 2 of them in your store. They're going to get cleared very quickly because this deal is so hot. We have a $3 digital attaching along with a $5 if you have this one. If you have 2 $3 ones, make sure that one is unclipped or 2 $3 will come off and not the 5 and the 3. So 2 of these at $8.99 each, that's $17.98. Tracking the 5 and the 3, that's $8 in digital coupons melting off. You're going to pay $9.98. Get back an $8 register reward for buying 2 of these this week, making it $1.98 for 2 or 99 cents per razor. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, or if you have a register reward from another deal, you can throw it in for a smaller out of pocket. But what a deal. What a deal. If you love OGX, this is the deal to do, and I'm going to let you know their conditioners are top level. It's so fantastic. So I thought these would be $7, and they are in fact $7. They're usually $9.99 each, so this is quite the deal. When you buy 2, you get back a $4 register reward with a 4 off a 2 digital coupon. Please make sure you have this guy loaded. Grabbing 2 of these, it's going to be $14. Subtracting your coupon, you're going to pay $10. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $6 for the 2 or $3 each. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. You know that deal that we just did with the razors? Why not use that register reward in this deal to pay a smaller out of pocket and keep rocking and rolling? What a deal. Looking for the Crest for $3.50 or the Oral-B brushes for $3.50. They are on a promotion that when you buy 3, you get back a $5 register reward. And we have a 5 off a 3 digital coupon, so this makes it a very neat and tidy, cheap little deal, like 16 cents per unit, which is fantastic. And this is the digital coupon that you're going to load, the 5 off a 3, for the paste or the Oral-B brushes, but they must be tagged properly. Make sure you're grabbing the right ones. 3 of these for $10.50. Subtracting your coupon, you're going to pay $5.50. Get back a $5 register reward, making it 50 cents for the 3 or 16 cents per unit. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but not a bad little deal. Now we're looking for the Colgate products priced at $5.50. So you're really going to have to make sure you're grabbing the right stuff so it's on the correct promotion. The promotion here is that when you buy two, you get back a $5 register reward. Now, currently for these 550 products, I have a $3 off for the paste and a $2 off for the brush. There's a whole host of Colgate coupons, so just kind of like look through them carefully. Grabbing two of these, it's going to be 11. They're $5.50 each. Subtracting the 3 off and the 2, that's $5 in digitals. You're going to pay $6, get back a $5 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but not a bad little deal, 50 cents for this fancier Colgate. TRESemme deal is back this week where these larger shampoos and conditioners are $6 a unit. So when you grab two of them, you're going to get back a $3 register reward with the 4 off a 2 digital coupon. Here's what your coupon looks like. So you're going to load this friend. Grabbing two of these, it's going to be exactly $12. Subtracting your coupon, you're going to pay $8. Get back a $3 register reward. It makes it $5 for the 2 or $2.50 per. Again, if you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. Spend it to earn that register reward. Head and Shoulders $7 shampoo, so the smaller bottles, and these 2-in-1, it does everything including your taxes. When you buy two of these, you get back a $4 register reward, and we currently have a 3 off a 2. I thought it'd be a 4 off a 2, but this is what they gave us. Grabbing two of these, friends, it's going to be 14. Subtracting that coupon, you're going to pay 11. Get back a $4 register reward, making it 7 for the 2 or $3.50 per unit. Again, if you're doing this deal without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. Spend it to earn your register reward. Not a bad deal for these, considering they're usually like really expensive. This is one item they've really jumped in price lately, I've noticed. Now we have a Dial body wash deal, and I'm going to let you guys know this one's weird. It shows up like probably every 3 months. So if you need to stock up, this is definitely the deal for you. The promotion for this is when you buy two of these, you get back a $2 register reward, and they're $4 each. They're usually upwards of $6, and we currently have a $1 digital coupon. Grabbing two, it would be $8. Subtracting that $1 digital, you're going to pay $7. Get back a $2 register reward, making it $5 for the 2 or $2.50 per. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Hang on to your receipt in case there might be an IBOTTA rebate as the week marches on. The Dove shampoo for $5. If you didn't do this deal last week, it's definitely one you should do this week because $1 per shampoo I think is really fantastic. So these are the ones you're going to grab. Again, we have a 4 off a 2 digital coupon, and when you buy two, you get back a $4 register reward. So grabbing two of these, friends, it's going to be exactly $10. Subtracting that coupon, you're going to pay $6. Get back a $4 register reward, making it 2 for 2 or $1 per bottle. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Now we're just going to dive into a couple paper deals that I like this week. If you didn't do this deal last week, you can still do it this week. It is to grab 2 of the paper towels and 2 of the toilet papers by Scott. We currently have a 2 off a 2 for the toilet paper and a 2 off a 2 for the paper towel. That is $4 right there in digital coupons. Now these are on a promotion, buy one, get one 50% off. It'll ring up that way at the register. So 4 of these would ring up. They're 20, but they'll ring up at 15, subtracting your $4 in digital coupons that I just showed you in the slides previous. You're paying 11 for 4 or $2.75 per. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, but $2.75 is definitely a stock up price for this paper. I would definitely stock up, especially if you're a newer couponer. Another great paper deal this week are these cute little 2-packs of the Bounty Essentials for $3.49. When you buy 2, you get back a $2 register reward this week, which is not bad. There is no coupons for this one, but if you might have register rewards from other deals, if you want to throw it in, say the Colgate, this might be a smart way to roll your register rewards. Grabbing 2 of these, friends, it's going to be $6.98. Getting back that $2 register reward, it's $4.98 for the 2 or $2.49 per. It's okay to use Walgreens cash. Spend it to earn that register reward if you're doing this deal with no booster. Now, if you live in a smaller market and these trial size of the Unstoppables for $4.99 haven't been around, this is the coupon that you're going to load. The display will be in the laundry section on a side cap, on the side of the aisle. And they're $4.99 a pop. They won't be on the regular shelves because it's a transient item. It's not going to be there very long. After the coupon, friends, 99 cents, not a bad price point. And the last deal that I absolutely love this week are the 88-cent food storage bags by Walgreens. Usually we're, dancing in the end zone when they're 93 cents per box. But for 88 cents, also a terrific buy this week, especially with back to school around the corner. Dollar General penny video linked right here. We will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.